How to delete suggested for you on Facebook. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to delete suggested for you on Facebook. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's head over in here on our Facebook. So I will teach you two methods. So the first method is this. So if we click on the search icon, you can see in here the people you may know and also discover what's popular in the Philippines. So this means on location and this one is on contacts. So what you need to do is you just click on these three lines or the purple icon right here. And in here just scroll down until you can see the settings and privacy. So click on settings and privacy. Then from in there you can see the settings. So click on settings and then scroll down until you can see the off Facebook activity. But if you can see it, you can just click on the search bar icon right here. But since I can see it under the permissions, I can just click on it off Facebook activity. And then this will open this. So what we need to do is to just scroll down until we can see this clear history. So click on clear history right here. Click on clear history again. And as you can see, the history has been cleared. So what we need to do next, the second method is to head over on our settings right here. And then from in here, you can see all the settings, right? But what we can do is head over the settings on our phone. So just long press Facebook, click on app info, and then from in here, just click on permissions. And then make sure that location and also contacts are disabled. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you delete suggested for you on Facebook. If you have comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.